Hi guys, today I'm really excited because I just received these ceiling lights for reviewing purposes. Let me take them out of the box, okay? First thing we see when we open it is a pair of gloves and the instructions to assemble, okay? I think it's really nice. It does come with everything that you need to assemble them, which I think it's really great, okay? All the pieces, nuts, bolts, tools that you need, they already come included. And as you can see, they've come really well protected. And these are the lampshades. They have a really beautiful alabaster design that I think it's excellent. And the lights are LEDs, okay? They've come in this side and this other side, which I think that it's great and I think it's gonna look really nice. So let's go ahead and start assembling them and let's see how they look all installed up, okay? Come on. The assembly process, it's really easy, and the instruction manual is really clear. It got all the steps to assemble them, which I think it's great. And these pendant lights are really great because you can adjust the height at which you place them, selecting how many downloads you want to use, and they are perfect to use with a dimmable switch if you want to use one, which I think it's really useful. Okay guys, as you can see, they are already assembled and I think they look really nice. It has a very classy and really beautiful design that I think is gonna be perfect for anywhere you wanna place them, in your dining hall, in your living room, where you wanna place them. I think they're gonna do an amazing work, and as you can see, they were really easy to assemble and place it in the ceiling. And overall, I like them a lot and I would really recommend them. See you guys.